through an off-road trail. I'm in Death Valley. Sun is setting down that way, and I'm gonna cook some tuna. I'm gonna put some garlic, I love garlic, so a lot of garlic. Bit of cayenne. I got this from Walmart. It's $6 I think for the tuna, and I should add some salt. Then pepper. Gonna flip it, do the same. Okay. This cooker is slightly better, but the other one was horrible because of the wind. It never cooks right. This one is slightly better. I don't know what else to get. When it's cold and windy, I don't know. These cookers are not that good. I got this frozen dish. That's Korean barbecue, I think. It was like Korean style barbecue beef bowl. I haven't eaten for the whole day, so I'm gonna let that cook on the side. So I'm gonna eat the whole thing, because this cooker is not cooking really fast. So I'm gonna let that cook on this side. It's gonna be a big meal. Big meal. I mean, I deserve a big meal after starving for the whole day. I have been hiking miles, at least 16,000 steps today. And I haven't had any food for the day. Might as well just start eating while it's on the it's gonna be hot, and I don't want to ruin my table, and I don't want to get another plate to put this on, but because there is one more thing to wash. Oh, it's burning. Let's see how the fish came out. It came out really good. I mean, it's kind of bland, but $12 for a really good meal. If you go to a restaurant, you can get this meal for $12. It has all the meats, the protein. The tuna dish alone will cost like $20. If California didn't have all these stupid laws to attract homeless and destroy every single neighborhood, it's a very beautiful state. The national parks alone is amazing. Grass prices and homeless and all these problems. Oh, I wish the state solve all those problems. It's an extremely beautiful state to be in. You can go from this to the redwoods. Freaking jungle that's 2,000, 3,000 years with 3,000-year-old trees. Tell me which other state has that? No other state, actually, no other place on this earth have something like that. Then you can go from snowboarding to surfing in one day. So I'll be camping out here inside the Death Valley. This is like the middle of the Death Valley. Actually, middle is down there. That's the basin. That's the lowest part in America. Probably where I'm at right now. Oh, it's the wind hitting my roof rack. I thought the gas was on. That's the lowest part below sea level, 288 feet below sea level down there. Probably here it's still below the sea level. I don't know. It might. I'm kind of up, so it might be around sea level. I don't know. And me, I'm here. Middle of no freaking where. Look at the beauty down there. experience it with your own eyes. All right, adios. See you later. 5-gallon bucket, and you all the water to wash. Then put some soap and wash everything, and everything's good to go. I'm gonna do a small vlog from Death Valley again. Look at this. When you're by yourself, middle of nowhere, it's actually really good, because then you can think a lot of things, plan things, look at the future, and your mind is free. You in the wilderness. It's just amazing. So there is two people about 1 mile that way. About, I'm guessing, about 100 miles that way there is no one. 100 miles that way there is no one. 100 miles that way there is no one. Because there is a road going down here all the way about at least 10 miles. I don't know. No, I don't know. No, it's about 5 miles, I think. And there is no one there at this time. No one's driving. There's like a couple. Hopefully I see some rattlesnakes. Probably there is no rattlesnakes here. It's hard for a lot of animals to survive. This place recorded the world's highest temperature. I can't even imagine during summer. Can't even imagine. You can barbecue off of the freaking rocks. This world is so beautiful. Really beautiful. I'm going to show you how it looks like at night. The camera can't capture it. You can see thousands and thousands of stars. And these noises can hear it for a long distance too.